Titus has learned how to feed himself. This is the first time he's done anything quite like this. We usually give him a spoon to keep his hand occupied because otherwise he'll try and grab ours. But this is the first time where he's actually used it to put in the jar or the bowl and then pull it out and put it in his mouth on purpose. So, he's growing up. Good job. Obviously we need to get some more short-handled ones. Are you just gonna let it rest there? He's still opening for us though, too, so that's helpful. Good job, buddy. Can you say hi to everybody?
You're doing it all by yourself.
We got spring vegetables and pasta, which he seems to like. Close.
What you doing? Got the camera.
There's still some in there. Go ahead. No, not with your finger. You're gonna finger paint? That's nice.